Okay, so if you've got a George Foreman like this, and I have used this for the last 3 or 4 years, it's a great Foreman. It's got the temperature control on the top, but the bottom burner quit working. And I'm a kind of guy who wants to fix things, so I decided I would take a look at it. So I've called this video "Don't Throw Away Your Foreman," because it's a simple fix. So obviously the griddle plates are off. You'll notice that there's, of course, a top and bottom heating surface here. This is basically the element for each one. Now, I've already fixed this a couple times, so I'm coming back to look at it here. Well, what happens is the connections underneath get bad. So if you'll notice, you got screws at different places, but you'll have a rivet right here. Now underneath here, and this is going to look bad, and believe it or not, I kept my Foreman pretty clean, but this is what happens. These connections here get toasty, and there's grease that comes down that radiates up somehow, but it gets these things a little bit dirty. So what you do is you pull these off. I just use some emery cloth like this, shone up the connections, and then I used a needle nose pliers to pinch these tight, these two little tongs that slide on, and then slid them back on. The same thing with the top part. When I take that screw in the top part off, this one's a little harder to get to because they're connected. If you'll look down here as well, there's two connectors, and both of mine were loose. So I just tightened those back up, and it works like a charm. So don't throw your Foreman away. You'll have many more uses out of it if all you have to do is clean up those connections.